How to buy the KIKICat token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now make sure to take a look on the X account. You have enough community. Now to be able to buy this token, just go and open it on the screener. If you don't have an account, just go and create an account on it. Now, as you can see, this is our token called KIKICat. Now copy the token address and make sure this token is under the Solana network. Now go to open to Phantom Wallet because this is the best way to buy this token. Let's click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see to be able to find the right token. Now after you find your token, just click on it and here enter how much you want to buy. So after you enter how much you want to buy, this is how much you will receive. Now from here, just select one of these providers, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read this information and click on swap. They will redirect you to Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. If you face any problem or any issue in your buy process, just go back and change between these. So after that, you will be able to buy this token. So as you can see, you may see this lock icon. So this is mean that all the liquidity or 100% of this liquidity is 100% secure. So as you can see, this means that your investment in a safe place. So this is how to buy the KIKICat token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.